welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a gypsy fortune teller inspired makeup tutorial and I'm super excited about it. I have this really fun top on that I keep shimmying in. Oh, my boyfriend's sleeping right now. He's probably like, you're so annoying, but that's fine. So I started off with my foundation already done, and don't mind the amount of blush on my cheeks. It will all come together in the end. So first I'm just using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette because Jaclyn is my queen. I swear she like covered all the bases with this palette. And I'm just gonna take a light shade, putting in my crease. Now I'm just going to take a darker brown shade, so I think I'm going to incorporate black into my eyeshadow. So when you're using black, you definitely want to make sure you build up the color gradually, because if not and you just slap a black on there, it is not going to look blended at all. So definitely take your time and really work on your blending. Next, what do you know, I'm going in with a darker brown again, so a shade darker, and I will leave all of the shades in the upper right hand or left hand corner so you can see exactly what shades I'm using. Now I'm going to take the absolute darkest brown in this palette and go into that next. I'm just going to take the black in this palette and I'm going to pack it on my lid and then blend it up into my crease. Alright, so now that I have the shadow all done and blended, I'm going to do my eyebrows and my underbrow. I cannot speak. And my underbrow highlight off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm going to take my black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to do the upper and lower rim of my eyes, and then I'm going to smoke it out like super smoky. To smoke the black liner out, I'm going to use another Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to use the Gem shade. And taking the same shade again and that blending brush, I'm going to bring the shadow down into a triangle shape. So really messily, just bringing it down like this. So for a kind of fun touch, I'm just gonna add some star freckles all around my face. And then along with the star freckles, I'm going to take my NYX Heavy Metal Glitter in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just going to make little glitter dots around the stars. Along with all the gold glitter, I'm going to put glitter in my inner corners of my eye. Now, doesn't glitter make everything better? So now I'm going to do a really fun lip. I'm going to do a gradient black to purple in the center lip. So for my black lip liner, I'm just going to use eyeliner. take my Kylie Jenner lip liner. I think it's in, oh okay, June Bug. So this is limited edition, but I can link another purple lip liner down below for you guys. And to make it a little bit darker, because I don't really like the color it turned out, I'm going to take the Ciate London Liquid Velvet in Voodoo. The same glitter, and I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow with the glitter. And now I'm just going to zoom through my normal mascara routine. The last step, I'm just going to very heavily highlight my nose. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this one because, I mean, I love glitter. So give this a thumbs up if you love glitter as well. And also subscribe down below because I'm going to be filming a Halloween tutorial every single day this week, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.
And in the dark times, you don't have to question if I'm on where we are. You could put an ocean between our love. It will keep us apart. You could build a